I've got my sneakers on my feet, but the laces are messy on the street. I wanna run, I wanna play, so I'll learn to tie them up today. Grab one lace in every hand. Now let's follow the plan I've planned. Make an X and tuck it through. Ooh, that's the first thing that we do. Pull it tight, now don't be slow. We're making a beautiful bunny bow. Make a loop like a bunny's ear. Hold it tight so it doesn't disappear. Take the other lace and wrap it round. The bunny's running on the ground. Push it through the little cave. Look at how the laces behave. Now I see two ears so sweet, sitting right on top of my feet. Grab both loops and pull them wide. Now they're locked and safe inside. Not too loose and not too tight. Now my shoes are feeling right. Make an X and tuck it through. That's the first thing that we do. Pull it tight, now don't be slow. We're making a beautiful bunny bow. I did it, look at me. I'm as fancy as I can be. Left foot, right foot, tied up tight. Now I can run with all my might. Ready, set,